Hey guys, it's me, Lyric, and I have a haul. Well, I have like an unboxing. This is a gift from a friend. Super excited. I already opened the top. About to unpackage this freaking package from Milk, which is a bakery in California. And it's freaking, I'm so excited. Okay, I think I already know what's in here because they asked me to pick one and I picked one, so. Okay, so let me lower my desk really, let me lower my desk really quick, so like, okay, so here is the box, and the top is so cute. It says something awesome for someone awesome. I'm pretty awesome. On the top they have a cute little thing. It tells you how to store it. I'm already not storing it how they told me to because I'm about to eat this like on a haul. I'm gonna do a mukbang tonight. Tune in. Okay. Cookies. They do cookies. They do cake truffles, pies, and gluten-free cookies, layer cakes. I have a layer cake, and they do care packages. This is called the Milkbar store. Cute cover. And then a little note. Just a token of appreciation for you being there for me over the past 4 years. Keep shining and making me proud. From a friend from college. You know, when you're just a genuinely nice person, people send you cakes. Just joking. But basically. So they keep it like super. They have these ice packs inside these plastic bags, and it goes, as you can see, like all around the cake. Okay. Oh my gosh, super exciting. Let me pick it up. Ooh. Sorry, I love cake. I really don't need to be eating. I'm about to eat like this whole cake. I'm gonna cut a slice for my sister, maybe a slice for my grandma and grandpa, but this thing about to get 8. It's kind of like cold. I don't know if it's just because of the ice things, the ice packs, or if they froze it. But it's starting to be soft. I cannot wait to eat it. This is my first time trying this company, but it says they want you to, oh wow, we flash freeze your order before it ships to make sure it arrives in top-notch condition. So it was frozen. It is normal for the product to come to room temperature while in transit. Okay, my product did not come to room temperature while in transit because it was shipped from somewhere really close. So that's partly why, you know, I guess mine's already came like a cold. I'm not gonna refrigerate it because I plan on eating it in within the next like 2 hours type stuff. Here it is again, looking like a delicious freaking birthday cake. This is called the birthday cake, and I'm not gonna unwrap it right now. I'm gonna wait until it comes. Wait, should I unwrap it right now, or should I wait until it comes to room temperature to unwrap it? I'm gonna wait until it comes to room temperature to unwrap it. Ooh, this thing look good. They said one slice is 80 grams and one slice is 340 calories. So if I eat this thing, it's probably gonna be about probably like 2,000 calories, I'm thinking maybe. Anyway, I'm really just stoked about this cake. So stay tuned for when I eat it. It's coming up like right now. Hi everybody, it's Lyric. I'm about to mukbang this cake from, I forget where it's from. I just got out the shower, about to go to sleep, but I wanted to try it today. I've been storing it the way that they recommend you to store it, so it's gonna be good for like a couple more days, but I'm about to start eating it right now. So I'm just opening it up. Let me get this plastic off because it's like glaring in my camera. Okay. So exciting! Oh my god. I hope it's not whipped cream icing. I don't really like whipped cream icing. Take off the top part. I think there's cake up here. I thought it was cookie dough. Or it might be cookies. Ooh, that might be cookie at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna take the first bite like straight out of the cake. And then I'm gonna cut my sister a slice. But, oh my gosh. Woo-hoo. Wait, is this cake? I have to try. I have to see. Is this cake or is it? It's cookie. Oh, let me take like a thumbnail. Wait. Okay. No. Ooh. Okay, here we go. I should lower you guys a little bit. Oh my god. Okay. I don't even know how to, I want to like do it so you guys can like see the piece I'm about to eat. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, wait. It's... That's good. Y'all can't really see. Wow. I really like funfetti cake. Gosh, my I'm not gonna eat too much of this though. I went on a cleanse recently. I talked about it in one of my mukbangs, but I stopped it after a month and I started drinking like other stuff besides water, and I can already tell like my skin is not as clear as it was. So I want to like watch what I eat, but my friend ordered me this cake, so I'm about to eat this cake. Okay. So I have water. This cake is big. I'm about to go put it back in the refrigerator and let my grandma and grandpa eat the rest of it. I'm not even about to eat a whole bunch of this. This is not that kind of mukbang. Yeah, this cake is good. A lot of sugar. The icing is like a mixture between like whipped cream icing and buttercream, it seems like. Okay, it's about to be one of the quickest mukbangs because I'm about done. This is a lot. Should I just act like I ate all this? Just kidding. I ate like half, a little bit more of that though. I ate a lot already, so. I feel like that was like a taste test. Not a mukbang, but that was my slice of cake mukbang. I cannot eat no more. I do not know how these people be on here eating whole cakes. You know, I imagined that I might be able to eat this whole cake as a part of a mukbang, and I don't know why I thought that, but these little pieces of cookie, well, I feel like I don't have like so much sugar. No, I just ate oh, excuse me. This is the cake. There it goes. I'll take one more bite just for good measure. I'm dead. Thank you for watching my mukbang or cake taste test or whatever you want to call it. I'm about to go to sleep after I brush my teeth. And I hope you guys have a great night or day or whatever. Love you guys. All is well.